Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching Encyclo Hub. And this one we are discussing question number 6A. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. Here we provide all the answers on your WhatsApp. Uh, so you have to contact on this number, which is 900 936 8238. You can just hi or call also. So 6A question is, you know that businessmen generally visit their banks to get updated position regarding their bank account, visit any bank and require them um, bank account. What discrepancies generally they notice in their and items they have recorded or not recorded, the items are not recorded by their customers. Make a list of the discrepancies and show the effect of the bank balance. So here is a table and we have prepared answers according to chapter wise, according to the according to the word limits. If you need this, you can contact us today. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.